Hello and welcome back to RumShopBoy. Sometimes the best rums are the ones you expect the least from. Maybe you've never heard of the brand. Maybe you've dismissed it because of where it's made. Or maybe you simply walked straight past it on the shelf. Today's 5 bottles all have one thing in common. They surprised me. Each one offers fantastic value and delivers far more flavour and character than I was expecting. So if you're looking to discover something a little different, let's get started. We begin with Revival Rum. English rum has come a long way in recent years, but it's still a category many people overlook. Revival is a fantastic example of why that's changing. It's smooth, well balanced, and packed with notes of vanilla, caramel, oak, and gentle spice. The first time I tasted it, I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this good. It's proof that great rum doesn't always have to come from the Caribbean. And although this is a little more than I would usually spend on a budget rum, the quality is well worth it. Next, we're heading to the Canary Islands, another place many people don't associate with rum. Aldea Dorado offers a wonderfully approachable style with flavours of vanilla, caramel, and soft oak. It's an easy drinking rum. It's perfect for anyone wanting to explore something a little different. If you've never tried rum from the Canary Islands, this bottle may surprise you. Now, let's visit the beautiful island of Madeira. Hinton is another producer that's often overlooked outside of Portugal. This unaged Madeira rum is actually an agricole. That means it's made from fresh sugarcane juice. It lets the natural sugarcane character shine through. It's fresh, bright, full of flavour. It's a completely different experience from many aged molasses rums and shows just how enjoyable young rum can be. Now for a brand that many people have probably seen on supermarket shelves. Run Barceló, Gran, and Añejo. It's easy to assume it's just another everyday Spanish-style rum, but spend a little time with it and you'll discover plenty of vanilla, dried fruit, oak, and gentle spice. It's smooth, approachable, and offers outstanding value for money. Sometimes the bottles we overlook are the ones that surprise us the most. Finally, Kingston 62 Gold. Here's something many people don't realise. It's produced by the same people behind Appleton Estate. That alone makes it worth paying attention to. It's packed with Jamaican character while remaining approachable and affordable. Rich fruit, gentle spice, hints of oak. It's a fantastic introduction to Jamaican rum, and one that I think deserves far more recognition. Those are 5 budget rums that genuinely surprised me. Have you tried any of them? And which budget rum has surprised you the most? I'd love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of my budget rum series. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink more rum!